Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then enter YouTube app on your smartphone and press screencast button located on the top of the screen. Select your TV and devices are connected. Now you can play any music you want and it will be displayed on the TV. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.